I keep hearing that to get into identity and access management field, it is one of the hardest things to do in cybersecurity. That I keep seeing it these days on YouTube, Reddit, and other online places. But that's not exactly true. I'll show you and discuss how you can get into IAM in this short video. Hi, I'm Srinath. I've been working in identity and access management area over the last 18 years with various leading IAM products in engineering, technical consulting, and also pre-sales area. I have learned everything about IAM end to end on the job. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get into IAM if I were to start from scratch. Most IAM roles does not require a lot of IAM experience. Of course, they need you to understand how IT systems work together, integrate. So if you are working in help desk, have a background in SOC, if you are a support admin working on end user incidents related to password resets, their IT systems access, so you understand most of the things that IAM requires. So you already have the foundation. You just need to learn how to translate those skills into topics of identity, access, privileged access, and all these areas of identity and access management. When you first start with IAM, it is very easy to get overwhelmed by various certifications, various softwares that are available on the market, various products that you keep hearing. The one fundamental thing I would do if I have to get into IAM is to understand the concepts of identity and access management. I will not worry about right away with the tools or various certifications, because if you understand the concepts, then you can translate those concepts into any product or any kind of vendor certifications that you have to do later to get into a particular job that you are looking for or applying to. So once you understand most basic concepts of identity and access management and everything around it, it's time to get hands dirty with hands-on labs. One thing you need to understand is you do not need to learn every product on the market, every shiny product on the market that you keep hearing around. You need one tool. So just pick one tool and learn it deeply. So I'll help you in this video how to pick a tool and which tools are maybe already there that might be helpful for you. Just set up a simple home lab on your laptop using one of the open source tools. There are open source tools like midPoint, IAM, Keycloak for access management, and there are also free trial versions that are available with SaaS IAM products like Auth0, Okta, and Entra ID. So just pick one of them and set it up in your laptop. Very easy to do. You don't have to know too much about how networking works, how Docker works. So for example, let's see the lab. I've set it up. So this is the HR file, which is a CSV file. I've translated it into a HTML setup using AI. You could use any AI and ask it to convert CSV file into HTML file so that you will have the HR system like this, where you can add and remove the users to it. Also, this is the midPoint lab or midPoint VM. I've set it up. So this midPoint setup is also demoed in my previous video. So go and check it out. Along with that, you could also easily set up an open LDAP like this. So this will act like Active Directory. Once you have concepts down, pick most basic use cases of IAM. If you ask AI like ChatGPT, it will get you most basic concepts. So set up a home lab and learn each use case deeply. Just try to break it, troubleshoot it using the lab setup. There is also a free guide that is in the description, or if you just comment free guide, I will send you. It has everything around what you need to know to get started. Another topic I keep hearing is certifications. Certifications help. Of course, you can get the certifications, but they do not help you to get the job if you don't understand the IAM concepts or IAM tools after the concepts. I have interviewed a lot of candidates over the years. I've seen what companies look for. Most often, companies look for hands-on experience of a candidate. So if you don't have already working IAM experience and you're trying to get into it, try to set up a home lab. Share that via a GitHub link on the resume, and also prepare to share screen and show it in the interview. So that helps a lot than the certifications. So certifications come later. When you get the job, you can get the vendor certifications, or if you really want to progress further, you can get into some other vendor neutral certifications. Another thing most people struggle with or underestimate is mind shift change. When you are coming from a help desk background or a support background, you need to understand how IAM works. For example, in your current role, everything is reactive. So there is an incident comes, there is a request comes to set up access or reset the password or reset the login, whatever. This is all reactive. You act upon what comes to your desk. In IAM, everything is proactive, that you need to work on a problem that is going to come, or you need to somehow prevent it rather than solving it once it happens. So that's the mind shift change you need to think about when you're also learning the concepts in your lab, that how this particular use case is solving a business problem. So that shift from reactive to proactive is actually starts in your head, not in your training course or while preparing for a certification. So now action plan. Here is what I would do week by week if I have to start about IAM today. First, I would learn 5 core concepts of IAM. The first one is how the IAM architecture looks like, how it integrates with various components in IAM system. For example, HR systems, backend user stores, target applications. Second, I would understand how authentication protocol works, how the login happens, like for example, SAML, OIDC, OAuth. The third one is joiner mover lifecycle of a user. Fourth one could be you could pick access certification, which basically covers the compliance side of it, which also includes audit. Another one could be role-based access management. You can understand how to set up the basic roles so that when somebody joins, they get the roles automatically. Some of these basic concepts I've already covered in the previous videos. I put together a free guide that walks you through the entire process that I've just described so far. This kit includes 5 core concepts, a skills translation guide, step-by-step lab setup instructions, 10 real interview questions with model answers, a resume template, and a full 90-day roadmap. Link is in the description to get the guide. So that's all for this video. Like I said, I will be putting out more and more videos and more resources from this channel. So don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you are someone who are seriously considering IAM as a next step in your career, drop your background in the comments. I will give you a personalized recommendation that aligns with your current situation or current background. So I'll see you in the next one.